Have you ever realized that women often seem more interested when you show less attention toward them? It might sound surprising, but ignoring a woman can actually ignite a strong emotional response. Women frequently crave attention, validation, and the excitement of feeling wanted. However, too much of it may lead them to act disrespectfully, cancel plans, and develop an exaggerated sense of self-worth. In today's video, we'll dive into the psychology behind why ignoring a woman can increase her interest in you. By the end, you'll learn how to leverage this dynamic to your advantage without appearing needy. This is a key lesson in understanding female psychology, so stay with me. Understanding female psychology, the subtle power of ignoring. First, let's clarify. Women seek validation. Women often have a higher need for male approval than many men assume, but here's the twist. It must be earned. When a woman receives undeserved attention, she tends to take it for granted. This is why a man who ignores a woman undervaluing him can actually revive her interest and regain her respect. It's about standing out and behaving differently. But why does this work? The answer lies in a psychological concept. Rejection can fuel obsession. People, including women, have a natural aversion to rejection. In a world where attention is often given freely, someone who withholds it becomes intriguing. Showing a lack of interest creates an air of mystery, much like a locked door that becomes appealing simply because it's closed. This can spark a competitive drive in her to win your attention, turning curiosity into an obsession. Humans are drawn to challenges. When something requires effort or seems hard to obtain, it becomes more desirable. By not chasing, you're subtly signaling that your validation is not easily won. This isn't about manipulation, but about presenting yourself as a person with self-worth and options, setting you apart from those eager to please. The curse of the nice guy. Now let's talk about the nice guy trap. Many men think that showering a woman with kindness, gifts, and attention will make them more attractive. But in reality, overgiving may signal neediness. Women are often attracted to men who have options and exhibit inner strength. So when you step back and ignore her, you reset the dynamic, showing her you won't tolerate disrespect or be at her beck and call. Ignoring her isn't about playing games. It's about sending a message. When you ignore a woman who loves being the center of attention, it has a strong effect on her ego, showing that you're not like other guys always seeking her approval. This jolt can make her pursue you more passionately. Scarcity principle and mental challenge. We tend to place higher value on what's scarce. When something is too available, it's taken for granted. Yet when it's rare, it becomes more desirable. Women are often quick to notice when they have a man's undivided attention. For instance, over-texting, constantly responding right away, or sending too many messages shows that your time is easily accessible. This can appear needy or desperate, making you seem less attractive. Alternatively, creating a sense of scarcity by not replying immediately or stepping back from texting makes you more intriguing. When your attention isn't constantly available, it makes her wonder, is he busy? Why hasn't he replied? This mental challenge keeps her mind engaged and invests more of her emotions in the interaction. Neediness, the ultimate attraction killer. Here's a common mistake: becoming too invested too quickly. Neediness isn't just about obvious behaviors like calling or texting constantly. It's also about how much effort you're putting into the dynamic. The more you invest in a woman, be it time, energy, money, or emotion, the less appealing you may appear. This doesn't mean you should seem totally disinterested. A bit of effort is necessary, but you need to find a balance. Neediness takes different forms. It might mean bragging about your job, buying her a drink too soon, or doing favors that aren't needed. It's all about what your actions communicate. When you act from a place of insecurity, women sense it. Conversely, men who show no neediness and have nothing to prove naturally attract women. They're the catch, and women end up pursuing them. The psychology of ignoring. Now let's connect this back to ignoring. Ignoring a woman isn't just about playing hard to get. It shows a mindset of independence. It implies that you don't need her approval to feel validated. This shift is vital in attracting the kind of women you'd want in your life. Remember, your actions should come from your own sense of worth, not from following advice about playing games. So what does this mean practically? It means not over-investing, keeping your independence, and focusing on your own life, passions, and goals. By doing this, you convey high status, self-respect, and a level of independence that's highly attractive. Here are the key takeaways. Neediness is one of the least attractive traits. You could be movie star handsome, but if you come across as needy, her interest will fade. It's all about the message your behavior communicates. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, Psyche Institute. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we release new content. If you have questions or topics for us, leave them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.